Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola S50 Neo. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on OK or select Not Now and then hit OK. Either way, when you're ready, tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on an Android, use all of those categories at the top and thanks to them, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with just a couple, for example, like all of those. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Last but not least, it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To input this key, hit Input key section, type all of those numbers and choose Receive. To scan the QR code though, use the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!